This is a tool that I didn't know I needed, and now that I have it, I don't know how I was living without it. I mean, I would be searching all around the house for safety pins. So let me show you how this works. It's a micro stitch tool. So what you're gonna get is the gun, a safety cover that covers the needle, and you're gonna get 540 black fasteners and 540 white fasteners. So let me show you how this works. Once your needle is inserted, you'll see on this side that there's a slot. Now, when we look at the fasteners, you see that they have different sides. This side has like a solid plastic backing, and this one has the micro fasteners. And the way that you're gonna insert it is the long plastic part, you're gonna put it in right into this slot. That's gonna slide right in, and there's a click that you're gonna hear. It's very soft, but you'll feel and hear a click. Now, the possibilities of what you can do with this are really endless. The main way that I like to use it is if I'm wearing a scarf over my shoulders and I don't want it to fall off and just stay put, I'll fasten it. So think about any way that you would use a safety pin. So what you do is you get your fabrics and you pierce both of them until you can see the needle on the other side, and you push. So this just added a micro stitch, and now this is stitch closed. I can move, I don't have to worry about it coming off. Now, what's incredible about these is that they're strong enough to keep your garment on, but they are thin enough that you can just pop it right off, and it doesn't damage the fabric at all. So if you're wondering if this works, it absolutely does. Give it a try. And with the 540 white and 540 black micro stitches, you're gonna get a lot of use out of this.